You know the ocean is deep, but you won't believe just how deep. If you think Mount Everest is tall, wait until you see this. The ocean's deepest point, the Mariana Trench, goes down 36,000 feet. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. But here's where it gets crazy. At the bottom, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, meaning it could crush a human instantly. And yet, life still exists there. Strange creatures like the ghostly Dumbo octopus and see-through fish thrive in this extreme world. But did you know we've explored less than 5% of the ocean? That means there could be entirely unknown species lurking in the deep, maybe even sea monsters.